Good morning, everybody. My name is Dr. Zain Agha. I am from forexmentoringprogram.com. I've been trading since 1996 and I have been developing Forex trading systems since the year 2000. And from 2004, I have been mentoring other people and producing lots of successful Forex traders ever since. Today I'm going to give you a gift. Now this is an indicator which will help you make loads and loads of money. You don't need any system for that. It's very easy. Any child can also follow this. So this indicator is called ZEE, buy, sell, arrows. It will give you buy and sell arrows. So let's show you how it is. This is a 15 minutes Euro USD chart, 15 minutes. And then we go here. This is my indicator. It's called ZEE, buy, sell, arrows. Okay. If you go here, ZEE, buy, sell, arrows. In the common allow DLL imports, it should always be on. And go to the colors. Now these are the colors for the arrows. Now if you want to make it slightly bigger, you can click here and make it as big as you wish. Okay. Those people who have weak eyesight, I would recommend for them to make it bigger. But for the moment, we will go back to the original number one. Okay. And then what you do is you click OK. So once you click OK, your chart will receive the arrows, and these arrows tell you when to buy and when to sell. So you will find these arrows at the top of the pivot high and the bottom of the pivot low. So these arrows tell you to buy. You don't need any other indicators. Now once you get this red arrow, let the candle close. Once the candle closes, you open a trade, you sell at the open of the next candle, which is this one. So you enter the market at 1.18133 and then you exit when you see the other candle, other arrow appear. So the other arrow will appear here. So what you do, you wait until this arrow closes and the new arrow opens. So you get out here. So you get 24 pips profit. So the date is the 11th of June, which was Monday, last Monday. So let's see how much we make since Monday, how much we've made. So it's the 24 pips. So I will write down here 24 and I will keep adding them. Okay, then what you do, you got out here and there is another arrow to buy. So at the open of the next candle, you enter the market long and wait until you get another signal to go short. So here is the arrow, and when this candle closes, the new one opens, you get out there. This is 13 pips, so plus 13, that's 37 pips. And then what you do is you sell at the open of the next candle. I forgot to mention where to put the stop loss. You should put the stop loss right on top. Now for example, we go here, go back. you saw the arrow here and we went short here. Okay, now you put your stop loss about 5 pips above the high of this candle. So the high of this candle was 1.18203. So you put your stop loss at 1.18253. Okay, so 5 pips above the high. And when you are buying here, put your stop loss 5 pips below the low. So next candle appears and you will sell here and put your stop loss here. It's about 12 pips away, and then you wait for your exit signal, and then we go here and we move our chart slowly here. So this was your entry. Let's make it yellow so it's easily visible. Yeah. Okay, and then your exit will be at the open of the new candle after the arrow. So this is going to be your exit. That means your profit was 50.5 pips. Let's say 50 pips. So plus 50 is equal to 87 pips. So you got 87 pips profit. Your next buy signal is here, and you go down, wait for the candle to close, and then at the open of the new candle you buy here, and then you place your stop loss 5 pips below the low of this up here, and then you wait for your exit. And the exit signal you will get here, another arrow, down arrow, and the new candle opens. So that will be your exit. So let's see how much is your profit going to be. Your profit is going to be 42.7 pips. Okay, let's say 42 pips. So we add 42, that's equal to 129 pips. Okay, now we will go short here. So let's take and you go short here, place your stop loss here on top. Right, now make sure when you get the candle red arrow, the candle close should also be red. If this candle close as green, then you wait for the next candle to close as red. Only then you take the entry. So this close as red, so you are short, and here we get another buy arrow. So this one, it goes up here, it goes down, and then another one opens here, and the buy one, we want the buy, so we got the green candle here. So this is where we will exit. Let me take one more. So we will close our trade here. Okay, so in this case we got a profit of about, how much was it, 52.2 pips. Let's just say 52 pips. So that's plus 52. So we got 181 pips so far. Now you got a signal to buy, right? So we wait until we get the next candle which closes in green. Okay, now what happens about these arrows? Now this arrow, if this candle opens and continues going down, the arrow will follow it, and the arrow will be below the next candle, which is the red one. But if the market goes up and we get a green candle, then the arrow will stay there, and at the open of the next candle we will buy. So this closed as green, and we buy at the open of this next candle here. Okay, and our stop loss is 5 pips below the low, and the low is 1.1733. So if you take away 5, it's going to be 1728. 1728. Let's bring it to 1728. 1728. This is your stop loss, okay? 1728. Right. Now you went long here and you are in the trade, and what time is it? Maybe it's the night time. The markets are all closed. Yes, after 7:30. Night time, yes, all night time. Anyway, you are in the market and this is your entry, this is your stop loss. So here you get the arrow which tells you to go short, and the other arrow, this opens and it goes, it's a red candle, so you just close here. If you get close here, if you close out here, you will lose only about 11 pips, no, about 1.1 pips, something like that. But if you let the trade run, then you will get stopped out here. Okay, so this is the first stopped out, and you will get stopped out about 7.9 pips. That's about 8 pips. Okay, nothing to worry about. 8 pips, not a big deal. So then you get again green arrow. You look for the candle. Next candle opens, closes in green, and the following candle opens here. So you buy here at the open of this candle, place your stop loss 5 pips below, and then you wait for the next signal, exit signal. You get an arrow here, so this is your exit signal. So you will exit here, okay, at the open of the next candle, which is here. So in this case, you will make a profit of 51 pips. So we put it plus 51. This is equal to 232 pips. Let's take away 2 pips our loss in the previous trade. So we minus 2, so we got 230 pips so far. Right, now we got another buy signal here, and we will buy here at the open of the new candle here, and then we will wait for the next arrow, which we get here. Okay, we buy here and we get it here on this big candle. In this big candle we got the arrow. Now it's up to you. You want to close from anywhere here, you can, or if you're following the rule, if you follow the rule, then you close here. Now if you're closing here, you are going to lose this is your you are going to lose 15 pips. Okay, but if you don't close here, and if you see the arrow appears here, and then you can close anywhere here, so you make a profit of about let's see, profit of about 58 pips, right? Okay, now what happens now? We got this arrow and we are going to go short, so we go short here and we place a stop loss 5 pips above here. Now we come down and we get this arrow and we close here, and then we get a profit of about 102 pips. Okay, so it's a plus 102, so that means we have made 332 pips so far on only one pair. Okay, now we are getting a buy signal here, so we get a buy signal and then we wait for the next candle to close as green. It is green. At the open of the new candle we go long, so we buy here and we place our stop loss 5 pips below this, and we wait until we get the next arrow to get out. Okay, so this was only one pair, Euro USD. So I will now save it. What you can do, you can save it as a template. Save template, go to template, save template, and give it a name. This is called ZEE buy sell. ZEE buy sell. Okay, save it as ZEE buy sell. Right, now let's open a new pair. Let's open new chart, GBP USD. Okay, that's GBP USD. I am already in some trades in GBP USD because I have my robot running on it. You can see them here. So I'm going to apply the template which we saved, ZEE buy sell. There it is. Okay, so this is what it is, and so you can see we get so many opportunities of making good money. Let's go to the 11th of June. This is 9, 8. This is the 11th of June. This is Monday, 11th of June. Okay, here we get the signal here to go short, so we sell here. It should be a 15. Sorry, this is 1 hour chart. It should be 15 minutes. So we'll change it to 15 minutes, and then let's go to the 11th of. This is the 11th of June. Right. So we get the first signal here to go short. We wait for the next candle to close as red, so it went red here, so we go short here, and then we see the new arrow appear, the green one, and that close here, so we get out here. Okay, now one more thing, if you wish, you can apply the robot on it, another robot, which is the trailing stop and stop loss robot, which you will see another video on YouTube, and you can get that robot also for free. The only way you can get it is subscribe to my channel and send me an email with your YouTube ID so that I can go to YouTube and check out that you have subscribed or not. Once I find out that you have subscribed, I will send you that EA straight away. And also for this system and for this this indicator, you can have it by subscribing to the channel and sending me email. In that email you should send me your user ID, your ID for YouTube. Okay, so here is one trade, and then we get another arrow here, so you go short long here, and then you go take the get out here, okay, and then you get here 13.9, say about 14 pips. Okay, so we start counting this 14 plus, and then we get here, we are entry, go short here, and then we get out here. Okay, so our profit is 75 pips, so it's plus 75 is equal to 89, and then our entry is here, stop loss is here, and then our exit is here. The exit will be here. Okay, and so we make a profit of 38 pips. Plus 38. Okay, this is 127 pips. So now we sell here and then wait for our exit signal. Exit is this arrow here, this candle, the green candle. This is our exit. So we make a profit of about 29 pips plus 29 is equal to 156. So now this is our entry. We buy here and then we exit here. Okay, so this is our profit of 45 pips plus 45 is equal to 201, and we enter here. Here sell, stop loss is up here, and you close here. Okay, exit here at the open of the new candle, and now your profit is 47 pips. So it's plus 47, 248, and then your entry is because this closed as green, this one open, and you enter here and then you exit at the close of the red candle, and you see your profit is 63.9, say about 64 pips, plus 64 equal 312 pips. Okay, now your next entry is here, and your next exit is here, right down here at the close of this green candle, because you have green arrow. This candle didn't close as green, so wait for the next one. The next one closes as green, so you exit here, and your entry is also here. Okay, now so this one you make a profit of 86 pips, 86.9. okay, say 86 pips plus 86 is equal to 398 pips. And then this one is a red candle, so you don't enter at the open and let it close as green. It closes as green, so this is your entry. Stop loss is here, and then you wait until the next arrow, which is here. You open here, and then you see what's your profit is 52 pips. You have 52 pips, so it's plus 52 is equal to 450, and then your entry is here at the open of this candle, and then you continue until you see this here red candle. This is 97 pips, so plus 97 is equal to 547 pips. So far the week isn't closed yet, and so this is your entry, and then your exit will be here at the close of the green candle. So this is today's. So your profit is 123 pips plus 123 is 670 pips. So you got 670 pips on just one pair, which is the GBP USD, since you've been trading since Monday. So if you were trading just the two pairs, GBP USD and Euro USD, you would have made more than 1,000 pips. And if you were trading full lots, this is $10,000 in less than a week. If you're trading mini lots, so this is more than $1,000 in just 1 week. Okay, it's such a nice indicator my programmer has developed for me. I pay a lot of money to my programmer, so he's done a very good job. Now, instead of selling it, I'm giving it away to everybody for free, okay, as a help. Now, what's the catch? There's no catch. You can get it for free. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, Dr. Zain Agha, and send me an email, which I have written here underneath was my email address. And in that email address, write to me what is your YouTube ID, okay? And once I find you subscribe to my YouTube channel, I will send you the indicator straight away with no obligations, free for all. Okay, thank you very much. Nice being with me, and thanks for watching. See you on the other side. Thank you. Bye bye.